Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a refund on Eldorado.gg. Getting a refund on Eldorado.gg is straightforward, though your option depends on the situation. First, try contacting the seller directly through your order page using the order chat. Clearly explain why you want a refund, and if you both agree, the refund can be processed. If that doesn't work, you can raise a dispute with Eldorado.gg by clicking the support options usually found at the bottom right corner, provide clear evidence such as screenshots, login issues, or proof that the order is incorrect. Eldorado also offers a 5-day free warrant on most account purchases. If the account isn't as described, you can submit a warranty claim for a refund, noting that extra items or extended warranty may not be covered. Refunds are first returned to your Eldorado balance, but you can request them back to your original payment method. Keep in mind, processing can take up to a week. Overall, your main paths are negotiating with the seller or contacting Eldorado support directly via live chat or email. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.